Hi, this is Aashita Chadha, co-founder and CFO of the KariGhars. I will share with you a few tips on how wardrobe design can be reimagined in an interior space. The beauty of a bedroom is not only due to its decor and aesthetics. Wardrobes have a unique charm of their own as they enhance its functional value. With a wardrobe taking up the most space in a bedroom, it is important to design something that is highly functional but also adds to the room's aesthetics. Gone are the days when wardrobes were just meant for storage. With the myriad options available in the market right now, a wardrobe could fit into the design theme of your room or even be the highlight of the space. The perfect wardrobe does not exist, but you can get one designed which is perfect for you. Wardrobes, as you might guess, are utilitarian. By that, I mean that they serve a specific purpose. Having said that, it doesn't mean that they can't look stunning. Having a custom wardrobe installed can be an opportunity to come up with a design that would perfectly fit the style and space of your home. A classy wardrobe like this mirrored sliding wardrobe is sure to act as a gorgeous asset to your bedroom. Finished in warm oaky undertones and two mirrored sliding doors, this extensive wardrobe is sleek and functional. And the best part? The mirrored doors allow so much light to bounce off it that your bedroom will only seem roomier than it actually is. The market is inundated with finishes, from mirrors to wood and everything in between. Choose between PU, acrylic, lacquer or high gloss finish if you like to glam up your rooms and take them a notch above. Adding elements of leather and or metal in the wardrobes adds to their luxury quotient. Digital prints, world maps, Lego themes, think and it will be made possible. Wooden furniture have been an integral part of our homes since ages. The usage of veneers and other wood finishes in wardrobes is considered traditional, but even they can be reimagined to fit into contemporary decor. Using wooden panels with glass or mirror can take the wardrobe from classic to fusion to contemporary. Whether you are a classic design lover or it is the modern style which catches your fancy, every design can be delivered, even with classic materials like wood. Whether you love labels and have a wardrobe to die for, or even if you like to keep your clothes stored neatly, a walk-in closet is a covetable addition to any home. They are the epitome of luxury and a daily style experience design to showcase all your prized items. Besides adding to the aesthetics and visibility of the contents, a well-lit wardrobe encourages the habit of keeping your space neat. Lighting is perhaps one of the single most overlooked aspects of wardrobes. Proper illumination can really help you when it comes to organizing your space. In addition to that, it can actually make it so much easier for you to sort through your things. Proper lighting can help you improve the user-friendliness of your wardrobe, as well as enhancing the sense of spaciousness that you will experience. Thus, a little advanced planning is all it takes to ensure a functional wardrobe designed in sync with your room's interiors. Don't forget to seek professional help when it's needed. You can use this checklist to get started. With a little time, energy, and maybe some assistance, you too can have a wardrobe which is perfect for you.